Saturday, August 2nd, 2025. I'm in Norwich town. I'm going to try to sneak in to this fence here and take a... Alright, here we go. This is where the Grange used to be, and it's been completely demolished. It was taken down July 25th. And I'm just going to survey real quick. All the debris is taken down. They knocked down the whole building. And I think they just have to fill in some more of this big hole. This is where the foundation was. But this is just going to be a real quick video showing the remnants of the Grange right there. I see a no trespassing sign, but I'm taking the liberty of doing this just to get the aftermath before they build the Dunkin' Donuts. The Grange was built in 1860. And okay, let's see. This is where the front sidewalk. I mean, they got everything ripped out of here. The front entrance would have been right here, so there's a good view of where the Grange used to stay, right there. Shell gas station to the left, bowling alley, Norwich 10-pin bowling alley behind, straight ahead, and a big parking lot and other buildings over there. Let me take a stroll around. I mean, I'll give the guys that did the demolition credit. They did a phenomenal job, despite the fact that personally I didn't want that building taken down. And there's the machinery right there that did the job. Did the demolition right there. Get a wide view. And again, that is where the Grange on West Town Street in Norwich Town once stood. And it was demolished. That historic structure was demolished so that they can put in a Dunkin' Donuts. That's the end of the video.